Welcome to Pedagogy Marketplace. Click on Marketplace. Click on Become a Vendor to open your own store. Type in your personal email address. A verification code will automatically be generated and sent to your email address. Copy this code and fill it in on your registration form. Give your store a name and type in your secret password. If you did not receive a verification code in your email, click on the Resend Code button and check your email again. Upon registration, your information will be processed and we will notify you via email of your account status. Please be patient, we will contact you as soon as possible. Once you receive an email of acceptance, you may click on the link or log into your store on the Pedagogy website. You may either set up your store immediately or you can skip that step and conclude later. Manage your store with the dashboard on the left.